Hey builders, welcome back to Tech Wealth Hub. Today is February 4th, 2026, and Product Hunt just delivered another incredible lineup of products that I'm genuinely excited about. I've spent hours reviewing today's top 5 launches, researching each one in depth, and trust me, these are game changers you absolutely don't want to miss. Whether you're a founder, developer, or just someone who loves discovering innovative tech, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5 with 176 upvotes, we have Xcode AI. This is being called the first autonomous outbound operating system, and it's attacking what they call the integration tax. Let me explain the problem they're solving because it's a real pain point. Right now, if you want to run a proper outbound sales campaign, you need Tool A for data at $99 a month. Tool B for enrichment at $149, Tool C for sending at $99, and then Zapier to glue it all together. That's easily $400 per month before you even close a single deal. And most of your time? Spent debugging CSV files and fixing broken apps instead of actually selling. Xcode combines everything into one native engine. You paste your website URL, and their AI agents do the rest. They research your market live, ping multiple data providers to ensure 98% email validity, write hyper-personalized messages based on each prospect's LinkedIn profile and website, and then actually manage the inbox and book meetings for you automatically. The founder-friendly part? They hate per-seat pricing that penalizes you for growing. So with Xcode, you get unlimited seats on every plan. They only charge for the actual work the AI does through credits. This is a huge shift in how sales automation is priced. Moving to number 4 with 187 upvotes is Bunny Database. If you've ever thought I just want a simple database that doesn't feel like overkill or do I really need Postgres for this project, then Bunny Database is exactly what you've been waiting for. It's SQLite compatible, which means you already know how to use it. It works over HTTP, so you can wire up anything you want. And here's the magic part. It spins down when idle and you only pay for what you use. No more paying for databases that sit there doing nothing. Bunny Database offers one-click deployment with zero configuration needed. Just name your database and go. They have SDKs for TypeScript, JavaScript, Go, Rust, and NET to handle the boring bits. You get 41 regions worldwide with automatic, single region, or multi-region deployments for low latency anywhere your users are. They even include a built-in database editor so you can insert data or run queries on the spot. During public preview, the entire service is completely free. You can create up to 50 databases per user, each capped at 1 GB. For edge APIs with sessions and rate limits, this is the lightweight answer when Postgres feels like too much. At number 3 with 248 upvotes, Apple enters the agentic coding game in a big way with Xcode 26.3. This is absolutely huge for the iOS development community. Apple's flagship IDE now supports agentic coding, meaning AI coding agents like Anthropic's Claude and OpenAI's Codex can work with greater autonomy toward your development goals. What makes this different from just AI autocomplete? The agents can search documentation, explore file structures, update project settings, and here's the cool part. They can verify their work visually by capturing Xcode previews and iterating through builds and fixes on their own. They break down complex tasks, make decisions based on your project architecture, and use Xcode's built-in tools automatically. But Apple didn't just make this a closed system. They made Xcode's capabilities available through the Model Context Protocol, which is an open standard. This means any compatible agent or tool can integrate with Xcode. For the estimated 15 million plus iOS developers worldwide, this fundamentally changes how apps get built. Number 2 with 277 upvotes is Genstore AI, and this one blew my mind. Imagine turning a single prompt into a live, sell-ready e-commerce store in literally minutes. Not days, not weeks, minutes. That's exactly what Genstore does. Their AI agents handle everything from product curation to design to supplier setup to pricing and marketing automation. You describe your idea, and their system spins up a complete storefront with real products from real suppliers that you can actually sell immediately. The philosophy here is powerful. Get you from idea to real market signal to first sale. Fast. Too many entrepreneurs spend months building the perfect store only to discover nobody wants what they're selling. Genstore lets you test your hypothesis with minimal investment and iterate based on actual customer behavior instead of guessing. They've built out serious integrations to Google Merchant Center, Meta, and TikTok for sales channels, Omnicent for email marketing, Avalara for tax compliance, Shippo for shipping, PayPal and Stripe for payments. Everything you need is already connected. And taking the #1 spot with an impressive 349 upvotes is CreateOS. This is being called the operating system for action, the OS for builders who actually want to ship products. The problem they're solving is what they call the fragmentation tax, and it's something every developer knows too well. You start an idea in a notebook, jump to an editor, fight with infrastructure dashboards, struggle with deployment pipelines. The build process is broken across too many tools, tabs, and environments. And here's their key insight. Most projects don't fail because of bad code. They fail because of the messy middle between I have an idea and it's deployed. CreateOS is an AI-native unified execution environment. You vibe code in one place with an AI chat that understands your entire project context. Hit deploy and you instantly get a live URL without ever touching a separate infrastructure dashboard. Manage what happens after launch, including tasks, automations, and follow-ups, all from the same workspace. They even have built-in monetization through their marketplace. Use the CreateOS marketplace to handle payments without switching to external tooling. Their philosophy is clear. Going live is a first-class outcome, not an afterthought. The designer behind CreateOS shared something profound. Builders don't just lose time to fragmentation, they lose momentum. That break between I have an idea and it's deployed kills more projects than bad code ever will. CreateOS is designed around continuous creative flow with zero context switching. So there you have it. Today's top 5 product hunt launches for February 4th, 2026. We've got Nexuscale AI eliminating the entire sales tool stack, Bunny Database bringing SQLite simplicity to the web, Xcode 26.3 welcoming AI coding agents to iOS development, Genstore AI creating instant e-commerce stores from prompts, and CreateOS becoming the unified operating system for builders who ship. If you found value in this deep dive breakdown, smash that subscribe button for daily product hunt coverage. Drop a comment below telling me which product caught your attention the most. I'm personally betting on CreateOS and Genstore to be absolute breakout hits this year. Until next time, keep building, keep shipping, and I'll see you in the next